barbecue season, and every single summer you completely derail your fat loss by smashing burgers, sausages, and just thousands of calories every weekend because the sun is shining and you want to be sociable. As a former fatty who loves food, there are things that we can do to make substitutions and changes to still enjoy social season and also continue with our weight loss journey. So today's video, we're going to dive into a very simple but incredibly tasty recipe that you can use this summer to continue with your fat loss journey during a barbecue season. And half the time you struggle with your fat loss because you're looking at boring and bland meals which just don't compare to the things you'd normally eat. So the aim of this recipe is simple but effective, beautiful flavors that are also going to be nice and low in calorie. So what do we need? Chicken, mango or pineapple, fresh or pre-packaged, peppers, onions, tomatoes. Make your own, but I've gone for a pre-made lemon and herb Greek style rub. Healthy, nutritious, actual fucking nutrient dense food. The key to sustainable fat loss while still enjoying yourself is actually making food that you enjoy tasting and not acting like your taste buds are an afterthought. If you don't have one of these, get one. Makes barbecuing far easier and faster. So whilst chicken's now in its rub, leave that to ruminate. A bowl, that's really helpful. Slice. Peppers. Now with your pineapple, put a little bit of juice, a little bit of sauce. We're going to slice some of that up as well. Some fancy tomatoes, if you're my friends from America. A beautiful mango and pineapple salsa that's going to go in with our chicken wrap. Another thing that we can do when it comes to weight loss is actually have a plan for these situations. So often we'll go to an event, we'll have to explain, oh, I can't have that, I'm on a diet. Your friends, family, social people around you will try and convince you otherwise, and then you're dealing with your resolve and your discipline. But if we can take things like this with us, they're also pretty damn tasty and other people will want a bit, then all of a sudden it then becomes easier to explain because you're not sat there just picking at salad leaves and actually have something of substance. There we have it, beautiful chicken, mango, pineapple salsa. Since 600 calories for 2 of these. Beautiful way to enjoy the summer without destroying your fat loss goals. If you found this useful, make sure you head to the description below. There's a link there to a free recipe guide with about 50 recipes of stuff just as good as this. Oh yeah.